uh, what? Top plus bottom minus minus left left plus right minus one. And thus this is the one thus this service right service this thus not repeat this is method. Where's the reply? अच्छा ये रिवर्स क्या करना है सही Yeah. It's going to be like and, and, and reverse them. And it like reverse thing. Then what if then from effective reverse of the mana we have to select this now what thing then think so about this 40 10 20 so about this 30 20 10 40 again now let's check the situation here here after look at this then well what I'll begin so 10 minus 10 right let's go to the reverse column 10 20 11 12 0 time begin time end यहाँ से यहाँ पे बीच में चल रहा हूँ 10 penguin back and skin. Then we have to reverse up 10 10 for end a and 10 for 10 for and this have to reverse very good. Yeah, simply think. You have to simply think about it, right? Mm, let's understand the why and sell. So it's a simple greedy problem. You are given the area of price where price is given on each day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and to different stock. But sell. So this is problem with the prices. So size and maximum profit is equal to 0 and the minimum buy is equal to 189. Now let's see out uh, the maximum profit is equal to maximum profit is equal to sell. That means sell, that means nums, sorry, price I minus minimum buy, right? Now minimum buy is equal to minimum buy. Now max profit. Let's see this is right or a wrong answer. So this is a very easy problem, not so much hard. Let's move to the second question. You are given an integer price where price of given block and item may decide to buy or sell that you can hold across one share at a time and you can sell or buy multiple time on a same day. Okay, same buy. On which day you may decide buy or sell the stock. You can only hold it most one share, at most one share of a stock anytime. Okay, now let's you can sell and buy them on the stock multiple time on the same day, so you never hold more than one stock. Like so we are holding one, so we are going to six to its five. Now let's suppose we are buying for 3, 4, 4, 5, 7, and sale on a 4, so 4 prices, 3, 8 prices, right? Um, Can we proceed this question using DP? Simple greedy. Let's see. 5 1 5 3 6 4. Like this. I don't think. So I don't think. Okay, multiple loud. Let's say 1 1 5 3 6 4. We have to loud per year. So not. Yes. Yes. Not. Yes. It's a simple problem. Like it says that the buy the stock multiple time on a same day. So let's suppose we buy here and we want to sell here. So it's a loss of the 6 rupees, 5 - 1. Then if we buy here and sell here, we have to profit 4 rupees. Yes. And again you buy here and want to sell here. We have to loss. So we not buy here. So again buy on the point of 3. Okay, and sell on the point of 6. So we have profit for the 3 rupees, and for the if we buy again for the for 6 rupees and want to sell it for rupees, it's a loss. So if my previous is greater than me, previous element is greater than me, so we can sell, which is buy on the previous element, right? Previous day, and again we have to buy the present if my next future is also greater. Like, let me show you. Says dot size for loop. So if the prices I greater than the prices I minus one, then answer is equal to prices I minus prices I minus one. So return answer. Yeah, it's a simple question. That's not so simple, but we have to understand focus like why. Let's show for this next. It's four and three. Okay. First book the three. I think I have made this again. It's a 3D, right? Let's erase this. So you are given area prices, and prices is the sum of given stock on it. Find the maximum profit you can achieve. You can make complete at most two transactions. Okay, you may not engage in multiple uh, transaction ultimately. You can sell the stock before you buy again. So this is also a greedy problem. Sorry, greedy problem. So let's first try to understand the recursively. So it's a like a, yeah, it's like a DP problem because we have first, let's understand transition state. We have first the index changing. Now let's the transaction number of transaction and buy and sell. Like if we buy and sell, we have two problem, two question. If we buy, so we have to manage minus the current value, and if we sell, then we have to plus the current value. Now let's understand what one is. So actually, what I'm trying to say, so let's let's int and it's equal to pricing dot price, right, and meme set dp minus one size of dp, right. So let's now let's understand the situation here. we have to go for helper, which goes prices, and like for the buy which go, and the index which go 0. Now let's build the helper function. Helper vector vector prices int by int inx. So if inx is equal to price dot size, so now we have to return 0 simply. Now if current element, we have to left right int and take equal to helper prices by and the index -1, sorry, +1. Now if the buy equal to 0, that means we have to buy, right? So so buying is equal to minus nums inx plus helper prices by okay, we have to put here k also na, k else if buy is equal to 1, then selling is equal to nums i i nx inx plus helper prices by again inx minus plus 1 and k -1. If k is equal to 0, we have to return 0. I and next plus 1. Now let's return the maximum of and take buying buying and selling. Now let's understand this is giving a right answer or wrong answer, and this is running correctly or not. Okay, but I'm sorry, inx price हो गया buy and k and k. This is correct answer. Giving clearly. Now we have to just check I and x by sorry I and x k and by is not equal to -1. Then we have to return dp I and x by and k. Right. Just store here dp I and x by k and y. K and y. K and y. Right. Huh? Sorry. K and y. And the really so we have to memo it, tabulate it because the use of memorization is not this also gives the TLE. I don't know. Let's see the other solution of anyone. Explain DAP. I know this straightforward implementation. All use the tablet DP. Right. Okay. Okay. I missed it. Let's tabulate it. H equal to 0. That means all are 0. Right. So the K is equal to 0, all are 0. And then that's we have to build n minus 1. And K is equal to 1 and y 0 2. All are set. Yeah, I think I made this question. So clearly accepted. This is tabular form. I used like for the sake of convenience. So by cell. This is just a simple question. If you want K and by is equal to 1. Let's see the other solution. Why this not passing? What is this? I don't know. Both are same. DP0, DP2, and DP1. Yeah, I think it's correct. This gives the TLE because the constraint is bit high, so we have to move on and queue and tabulate form. So if we tabulate it, if you tabulate it for low I n minus 1 I plus plus 4 a equals 1 a equals 2 by take by else take else by take on and take by take the possibility of 0 to 1 तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं तेरी चाहत के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं और तेरा तेरी चाहत के सदके में ऐसा कर जाऊं why this callability minus 29 by okay. I think that this I cannot ऐसा कर जाऊं मैं क्या कर डाला मैं हारी अरे अरे मैं तेरी तेरी and take तेरे नाम से कृष्ण होके सदके में कुछ ऐसा why not with the zero? I don't know about this. Okay, just simple so that if we return here 0, then it's good, right? Good. Why? Explain this. Okay, okay, I understand now. If one written friendly handling this. Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Just go to this much appreciated. Now let's raise this. Now let's come to this mindset and question problem. We have four. This we have make here. Best time to buy and sell with the cooldown. Best time to sell with the transaction period. Okay. We have to seven, 7 and 2 DP on a square. Then after completing the DP, we move directly to the sorting technique. Then we have to move binary search. Okay. So in this month, we have completed DP. We have to complete DP and sorting technique and binary search technique, binary search, And let's see how much question of two string. String 15. Yeah, a string. We can proceed with the string, right? And also for the doing context of let's understand the question of this. You are given an integer array price and price is the price given. Sorry, price array name price is where the price of ith is the given price stock of the ith day and key integer. Okay, you want to maximize the profit. Can achieve. You may achieve complete the transaction. You may buy it at most k time and say at most you may not. So this is the same problem of that sheet. Uh, let's let's understand same problem of this third problem. Here given that two, but here given was three. So let's unblock it and let's copy from here. Full copy. Let's paste here. Now what? Yeah, this if we going to one double zero one and this going to is going to what 101 and this is 2, right? So k, right? First let's understand the situation here. Good, good, minus 1 and here k. Okay, I think this is right. I think this is the solution. Okay, okay, sorry. Let's see. Okay, so here is right. We copied from the all the code from previous one and we forgot that function name is different. Let's see this is pass or not. Yeah, correct. This is a easy problem. Not so much hard. What is description? So, so let's see that about the tabulation of this. Right. Let's see tabulation of it. Oh no. Let's see the tabulation of this whole concept. Remove the k. Now let's understand the value of k, right? We have k. 1 and K and K and K. That's it. K, 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 K. This is good. K, K. This is good. Now let's see. Is this all the test cases or not? Yeah, it's a simple question. Now let's move to the next question. This passes the test cases all. So we solve the question. What is it? This is also a DP problem, I think. Constraint. See the constraint. So you are given the prices, a price array, the prices of the given a stock ID, find the maximum profit you can achieve. You may complete a money a transaction like buy, sell, cross, sell, sell one share on multiple on the of the stock multiple times with the following restriction. After sale, you can't buy stock on. Okay, what? After you sell your stock, you can't buy sell on the next day, cool down day. Okay, so if you buy one, if you sell from, so you have to go to I minus two, right? So can I buy share one share, sell one share of stock multiple times? Okay, I think this is unbound DP, right? Why? Let's buy not increases like one. So it's a 2D DP, I think. How can you say that? It's a 2D DP. Yeah, I think it's a 2D DP. Let's buy on the maximum point you say why take not take I plus one. Buy, buy. So we can not increase buy here and sell, yeah. Sell yes. That's the question. I think that's the problem statement. Only I go there. Let's write a recursive code here helper helper vector in prices int inx int by if inx greater than prices aspect of size greater than 0. Now int skip is equal to helper access nx minus 1 or sorry plus 1 and the bar if it is bar equal to 0 then take minus prices I nx plus and helper prices I nx plus 1 and by this would clearly not a wrong answer. This might be yeah. So we can proceed like this. This is the solution. It's a 2D DP solution like DP. Let's check how many cases DP 5, 1, 2, and 3. DP 1, 0, 2, right? If DP INX and DP 5 is not equal to -1, we can return DP INX by set DP -1 solver DP. Yeah, this pass out. That means this passed all the test cases. Now use your you can tabulate it, right? Same like approach. Okay, like -1, -1, -1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then now let's take minus price plus dividend I plus 1 and 0 and 1, else take price plus I plus dividend I plus 2 and 0. You have to check like this. Dividend take 1 unit. If if I plus it's not much. Okay. Now dividend I by equal to maximum of take take or a skip. Why this where it failed? Let's skip this here. Skip by 0. After GPT, why the regular fame? Why regular wrong or wrong? This is the solution. Let's see. Correct one. Okay, why we are storing like that was this is also classic one question, right? Why? Let me see. This. Why this much? Just two. एक साइज बड़ा करते हैं ना, like 4, 5 कर देगा, then we have to remove this much only. then they're going to pass all the test cases. Why? Because trying trying to ChatGPT. Should I move this or leave it? It's also a DP problem, right? No, it's more like a greedy problem. So let's let's make it for the today, tomorrow.